that's what we are doing. This is not a popularity contest. This is a question of maintaining the integrity of the institution.
Sir, binalikan ko yung resolution ng NAPOLCOM 2025-0531 adopted last August 14 states that non-compliance with the requirements herein prescribed shall subject accountable officers to administrative sanctions. So itong pag-relieve kay General Torre, parte ng sanctions dahil hindi sa pagsunod doon sa NAPOLCOM resolution?
There is no sanction. The NAPOLCOM has not taken any sanctions as a body, nor has it been discussed, nor has it been filed. This is a personal decision of the President, and he has, after careful perusal of the facts, the order came from the Office of the President and not the NAPOLCOM.
Okay.
Go ahead. Just go ahead.
Okay.
One more.
Yung 4-star, kailan po makakukuha ni General Nartates?
You will learn about that sooner, as soon as the NAPOLCOM board convenes again next week.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Mr. Edniel Paroza from DZRH.
Sir, follow-up lang dun sa last question. So yung turnover officially kay General Nartates ay mangyayari ngayon?
Yes.
Sir, balikan lang namin, sir, yung comments or yung actions ng Malacanang. Ano yung exact na comments ng Presidente pagtapos ng medyo pagkakaiba doon sa NAPOLCOM order? Tinangka niya bang mamagitan o Rizal ba?
Well, as I read nung binasa ko, he has to make sure that the national security apparatus is always in one direction. And in this case, there was the President felt that he had to straighten things out, and the decision was made to replace General Torre.
Ano na lang, sir, yung marching order ng Presidente sa bagong PNP chief kay General Nartates?
Well, as I stated earlier, the PNP chief and I will have to present within 1 month a comprehensive citizen security strategy focused on public safety.
May mga inaasahan ba tayo, sir, na drastic changes doon sa response natin sa 911 at iba pang programs na in-implement ngayon sana ni PNP Chief Torre?
I do not believe that that is part of the agenda. We will launch the Unified 911 on September 12, and General Nartates will take cognizance over that. It is an improved system. It is a more responsive system, and I think that people will see the difference. Okay. But from now till then, the 5-minute rule of General Nartates, of General Torre, will still be in effect, and we expect General Nartates to continue the good works that General Torre has started.
Okay, thank you so much. Mr. Manny Tupaz from Philippine Star.
Sec, good morning.
Morning.
Sir, magmula nung mag-assume si PNP Chief last June 2, from the very start ba, may mga disagreements na kayo ever since?
No, never. PNP Chief and I have always had a great relationship. Remember, I only entered the SILG last October, and that's the first time I met him. And from then till now, our relationship has, I would care to say that it is stellar. We've never had disagreements, and save for the last few days about certain things. And until now, I still consider him not only as a colleague, but someone who I've gone to battle with and who I trusted big decisions of the President with.
Second lang.
Okay.
Apart dun sa NAPOLCOM reso, may nabanggit kayo among other things. Ano pa yung mga other issues kay Chief PNP na nagkaroon ng consideration bakit siya kailangan?
That is between the national security apparatus and him, and that is an executive privilege we cannot divulge.
Okay, thank you so much. Mr. Mon Galvez of TV5.
Hi, Sec. Good morning.
Yes,
sir, this is actually baka repetitive question na lang, pero just to clarify, you were mentioning a while ago that this is a country of laws and not of men. Ano po talaga yung pinakanilabag ni General Torre? Bakit po siya nasibak?
He did not violate any laws. He has not been charged with any violations. He has not been charged criminally nor admissively. It is simply a choice of the President to take a new direction for the PNP.
Medyo vague, Sec. Medyo vague.
Well, what is more vague than he didn't violate any laws? He didn't violate any, he has not been charged with any administrative case. He has not been charged with any criminal case. But he is a presidential appointee who serves at the pleasure of the President, and the President has made a decision to go in another direction.
So more on trust and confidence lang po ito? More on trust and confidence lang?
The President reserves the right to see what is best fit for the PNP.
Last na lang po sa akin. I don't think, hindi ko po alam kung tama yung research lang namin, but General Torre will be serving the the shortest term in the history of the Philippine National Police. How does this affect the morale of the police force?
Well, I think I am confident that the police force is very professional. I think that they observe their duties, and I think 99.9% of them will uphold their oath to maintain allegiance to the country and to the president.
Okay, thank you so much. Mr. Vince Lopez of Manila Standard.